Hello and warm welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Thursday the 24th of October. So just before we begin, if you would like to connect with us, feel free to do so on our social media channels. Just search for those currently up on the screen. And just to let you know, for our traders, we run a live trade room every night at 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday, and it's a great opportunity to get a comprehensive understanding about what's going on in these markets on the bigger time frames. So we trade daily time frames during the session, and it concludes in 30 minutes. So it's a 30-minute session every evening for those trading part-time and looking to grow capital over the longer term. We also have our signal service, which is available to our traders as well, where we post high probability trades in real time. We also have this daily trade watch video, which we publish every day. Really focuses on one or two select opportunities and gives you those very important levels to focus on. And every Thursday we have our trading mentorship webinar as well for our traders at 8 p.m. On Thursday evenings. So if you are interested in learning how to trade, then feel free to go to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com, and you get more information there. Okay, so if we could start, as we always do, with our risk warning, please, of course, familiarize yourself with our risk warning currently up on screen. And let's get in to discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we're looking at for the day ahead. So as the title of this video suggests, we are going to really look at an opportunity in the oil market. So yesterday we had crude oil inventories, and we had a surprising figure. And I'll just get this up on the screen. So if you look at yesterday's crude oil, we had a forecast of 2.5, and all the figures have been quite positive recently, and we saw a negative 1.7 million barrels. So that's always likely to help support the price of oil, and we actually saw that explosive move today. So really we're looking for some continuation in that move. So above 55.87, we expect this market to continue up close to the $58 level. So more of a move still available in that market. And the other market we're interested in, purely from a technical perspective, we've had this market sell off from these highs, a really considerable sell-off. We bottomed out to previous levels of support. So we've had this kind of price action kick in already, but what we've actually created in this market is a series of higher highs and lower lows. So that's obviously definition of an uptrend, and now we have broken the 72.58. So if prices extend beyond that level, then there's your high probability trade to get into this market above this level in here, the 72.58. So we just expect then at that point for this market to continue higher. So those are our two trades that we're looking very, very closely on. For those reasons. So this is a structural failure to the upside now that we're looking to capitalize on. And if the pound dollar starts to sell off, or the pound starts to weaken, then that would benefit this market even more. So if you get the correlation on side, then it would just add a bit more impetus to the FTSE to push higher. So that's the state of play. That's where we're currently at with those two markets. So that just about concludes this Daily Trade Watch video. So feel free to connect with us through our social media channels, and we have our Capital Growth Live Trade Room video, Live Trade Room every evening at 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday. We have our signal service. We publish this Daily Trade Watch video to our members before it goes on general release, and we also have our trading mentorship webinar every Thursday night. So on that note, thank you very much for joining us. As always, do take care, and we look forward to seeing you soon. For everyone here, bye for now.